Okay, we have a tune-up report on a Galaxy DX-94HP. This is for Jade in Texas. Jade asked us to put a switch on the back of here so when we turn it on, we have that sound. I like that noise toy. Okay, Jade, we're on the 100-watt scale, all the way keyed up. That's the power all the way up. We got 30 watts. Power all the way down. We got 3 watts. Over on the peak reading scale, we're looking at a 250-watt scale.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks good on the scope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, 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 check.
About 130 watts, maybe. We put her in sideband. Back over to the power meter here.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. We'll go on the scope here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice looking sideband signal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, check.
Okay, put it on there.
Break one now for radio check. Come on. I hear you way out there saying